Welcome to this video, where we'll explore an exciting and easy work-from-home opportunity tailored for beginners. Today, I'll be sharing how you can offer a simple yet powerful AI automation service to small local businesses, helping them streamline tasks like scheduling appointments and responding to customer inquiries. This is a high-demand service that not only provides value to businesses, but also creates a reliable source of monthly recurring revenue for you. Whether you're new to working from home or looking to diversify your income streams, this is a fantastic starting point. Let's begin by identifying the ideal clients for this service. Small local businesses, such as salons, gyms, dental clinics, real estate agents, and even restaurants, are perfect candidates. These businesses often lack the time or resources to manage customer interactions efficiently, making them prime beneficiaries of AI automation. You can easily find these potential clients using platforms like Google Maps, Yelp, or even local Facebook groups. The key is to focus on businesses that rely heavily on appointments or customer communication, as they will see immediate value in the service you offer. Now, let's talk about the AI automation software and how it works. The tool is designed to handle repetitive tasks like appointment scheduling, sending reminders, and responding to common customer inquiries via email, text, or chat. Setting it up is straightforward and requires no technical expertise. During this video, I'll walk you through a live demonstration of how to configure the software for a business. You'll see how easy it is to customize responses, integrate with their existing systems, and ensure the automation runs smoothly. With just a few clicks, you can set up a system that saves these businesses hours of manual work every week. One of the most appealing aspects of this business model is its potential for generating consistent, recurring revenue. By charging businesses a monthly fee for managing their AI automation, you create a predictable income stream. Depending on the size and needs of the business, you can charge anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per month. Since the software does most of the heavy lifting, your ongoing involvement is minimal, allowing you to scale your client base over time. I'll also share strategies for pitching this service effectively to business owners and demonstrating its value during consultations. To help you get started, I'm offering a free step-by-step course that breaks down everything you need to know about launching this business. Additionally, I'm hosting a live bootcamp where I'll provide personalized guidance and answer any questions you might have. These resources are designed to ensure you feel confident and equipped to succeed. So, if you're ready to take the first step toward building a flexible and profitable work-from-home business, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you thrive in this exciting new venture.